Today we're going to be making a survival kit that weighs under 5 ounces. Let's start out with 2 Mylar blankets, one for shelter, one for an actual blanket. And here I have my scale. So let's turn it on. And these come in at 3.31 ounces. We have some cordage. This is about 100 feet. 0.14 ounces. Matches, 0.07. So this weighs basically nothing. Aluminum foil for cooking or boiling water, 0.14 ounces. We have this survival card. It's not the best, but it's what I had for the weight. And I actually use this quite a lot. So is it the best? No, but it'll work. We have a flashlight. Take the tab out. It's actually very bright. And this comes in at 0.21 ounces. And I forgot the survival card comes in at 1.02. Then we have the actual bag itself, which comes in at 0.04 ounces. And this is actually going to be our container. So let's pack it up. So the total weight is 5.01 ounces. And I tried taking off that 0.01, but I just couldn't figure out how without risking some of the quality, I guess. Like if I took out the matches, then that would be less chances to start more fires, so I just didn't want to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe.